Good morning, student. I am Neha. I hope you all are good. This is your GK book. Let us start the chapter.
You got it your PDF of chapter 5 and 6. Now let us start the chapter 8 and 11. This is the chapter 8. Chapter name is Agriculture in India. Agriculture in India. चलिए start करते हैं. More than 2/3 of our population of our country work on farm. जो हमारी 2/3 पॉपुलेशन है हमारी जो कंट्री की, वो क्या करते हैं? फार्म में वर्क करते हैं, किसान है. नाउ अ डे इंडिया रैंक सेकेंड इन द वर्ल्ड इन फार्म आउटपुट. क्या है? हम आजकल के दिन में इंडिया क्या सेकेंड पोजीशन में है जो वर्ल्ड में, जिसके जो पॉपुलेशन है वो क्या करती है? वर्ल्ड को आउटपुट देती है फार्मिंग से, उनको क्रॉप दे देती है. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Soil needs three main nutrition for better growth of crop and plants. They are nitrogen, 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 phosphorus, PHOS, PHORUS, PHOS, phosphorus, and potassium, POTASSIUM, potassium. Now come to the second question. It's which soil is most suit for growing cotton and sugarcane? Which soil is most suited for growing cotton and sugarcane? Its answer is black soil. Which soil? Black soil. Black soil जो है सूट करती है ग्रो कराने के लिए कॉटन और शुगर केन को. Now come to the next question. Cotton, wool, silk, flour, and jute are fiber crops. Cotton, wool, silk, flour, and jute are fiber plant. FIBRE, fiber crop. Next question. Wheat, rice, barley, and maize are food crop. Fourth question. Wheat, rice, barley, and maize are food crop. FOOD, food crops. Now next question. The most expensive tea in the world is produced in dash in Assam. The most expensive tea in the world is produced in dash in Assam. It's not Assam, it's West Bengal. Most expensive tea in the world is produced in Darjeeling and in Assam. Darjeeling and in Assam. ठीक है? Darjeeling, DARJEELING, Darjeeling. Now come to the next question. Sixth question. India is largest producer of dash and second largest producer of dash in the world. India is the largest producer of tea, TEA, chai, and next is the second largest producer of sugarcane, SUGARCANE, sugarcane in the world. Next question is seventh question. The two major crop seasons in India are Kharif and Rabi crop. Kharif and Rabi crop. KHARIF, Kharif and Rabi crop. RABI. Next question is 8. Jute, tea, rubber, coffee, and oil seeds are dash crop. Jute, tea, rubber, coffee, and oil seeds are dash crop. Cash crop. Its name is cash. CASH. Now next question is ninth question. The first green revolution was launched in 1967 by dash. The first green revolution was launched in 1967 by MS Swaminathan. MS Swaminathan. It was confined to wheat producing state of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. It was confined to wheat producing states of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Now come to the next question. The name of bank which was established in 1982 to promote agriculture. Name the bank which was established in 1982 to promote agriculture. It's NABARD. 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 Come to the next question 11. Punjab is known as dash of India. Punjab is known as Granary of India. GRANARY. 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 Granary of India. Now next question. Who led a pleasant revolt against the British in 1920? Who led a pleasant revolt against the British in 1920? Answer is Baba Ramchandra. Baba Ramchandra. BABA. Baba. Ram. RAMA. Chandra. 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 Now finish the chapter. Come to the next chapter. Chapter 11. Chapter name is Constitution. Constitution. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It lays down the framework defining fundamental political principles, establish the structure, procedures, powers and duty of the government, rights, directories, principles and duties of citizens. Now come to the answer the following questions. Answer the following question first. Who was first President of India and the President of Constitution's Assembly? Who was the first President of India and President of Constitution Assembly? Answer is Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Spelling DR. Dr. RAJENDRA. Rajendra Prasad. 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 Now come to the next question. From which date the Constitution of India came into force? From which date the Constitution of India become into force? 26 January 1950. Now come to the next question. Third question. How many articles does Constitution of India contain? How many articles does Constitution of India contain? It's 448. 448 articles present in Constitution of India. Now next question. How many schedules are there in Constitution of India? How many schedules are there in Constitution of India? It's 12. 12 constitution are present. 12 schedule constitution are present in our constitution. Now next question. How many languages are considered as official language by the Constitution of India? How many languages are considered as official language by the Constitution of India? Is 22. 22. Now next question is sixth question. Can Indian Constitution be considered as strictly federal? Can Indian Constitution be considered as strictly federal? No. Its answer is no. Next question is seventh question. Who is regarded as father of Constitution of India? Who is regarded as the father of Constitution of India? Is Bhimrao Ambedkar. BR Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ambedkar. BR लिख के फिर क्या करना है? AMBEDKAR. भीमराव अंबेडकर का नाम लिखना है. Next, 8th question. What is the name of our country according to our constitution? What is the name of our country according to our constitution? What's the name? Bharat. 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 Now next question is, does the Indian Constitution supports presidential form of government or parliamentary form of government? Does in the India Constitution support presidential form of government or parliamentary form of government? कौन सा यूज करती है? parliamentary form of government. Now come to the next question. Last question. When was the Indian Constitution signed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? When was the Indian Constitution signed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? It's 24 January 1950. 24 January 1950. Thank you. Complete your work in your book and in your notebook also. Thank you.
Complete your work, make a PDF and send it to the school WhatsApp